Well, I'm here visiting, and of course, as an ex-president of Liberia, when His Excellency, as I always call him, my big brother, was president, we worked together, and I heard that he passed. So, on my visit, I just wanted to come and sympathize with the government of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria. He was a very good person to me, and that he was a kind man, and one that helped my leadership to be successful, and I respect him a whole lot. So I thought I should come and sympathize.
What's your message to Nigerians at this time?
Well, take heart. Take heart. He was a great leader, and a strong leader, one that believed in Africa, and wanted to see Africa and African are great, and we follow him. I, in particular, was like a son to him, and I visited. He visited me, and when I heard that Buhari is no more, it's a sad time for us. And on my visit here, I thought I could just, sympathize to the government of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Looking at one. Look at me.